had another tree fall down in our yard after 60-mile-an-hour winds all night. Come on. And it falls over this morning. Just a little bit of wind. One tree left here. I don't know what the condition of the ground is there. It's tore right out of the ground. Wonder when this one's gonna go. It's a big pine tree. Big pine tree. All the little birdies are losing their little sanctuary here. It just came out, just fell over this morning. Not even an hour ago. Took out this other little one too. So there are actually two of them laying here. Gotta get the chainsaw out, clean this mess up. A lot of fucking wood here. A lot of wood I gotta clean up. I hope this one fucking doesn't fall over. That one there. Pretty damn close to the wire. That one there fell over last year. It was a big carpenter ant infested pine tree. Had a big fork in it, and they actually fell real close to the neighbor's house. Took his wire out. Didn't totally break the wire, but we got it off without them losing their power. But a good thing this one didn't fall in the wire. Now I'm worried about this one here. That is a big pine tree. And I hope it doesn't fall. I really hope it doesn't fall. Okay, I'm gonna go get the chainsaw.